Dog, big dog on grill. Well, hey guys, what's up? It's a pretty windy day today, but fortunately, I'm not still having fun. Yeah, and that fellow, look at this. That, oh, wait. Yeah, we need to keep it so cold. That, open up. Wait, I don't know if you guys have this. Yeah, I literally see that. Oh my gosh. Wait, I don't know, like, get close. No. So guys, like, they're so into the point they didn't even have school. And, yeah, but, like, I think we'll see still. Thank God. Hey, if we get to 1 million subscribers, I literally, please let me go to 1 million subscribers, y'all. Please. At least do a couple million subscribers. I've been praying to have that for a while. It's spring break in a couple days, so I'll upload for a couple days straight on that too, so you guys can watch. Yo, I need to film this YouTube content. Look at this. Look at that.